Well, good afternoon. Well, as you all know, we had an epic 2-week run with the Harbor Freight Spring Black Friday sale. With that said, that has come to an end. So we did have some new Inside Track Club deals drop today that end April 30th. So I'm going to turn this camera around and let's get into it. Well, I want to start out here in my email. They sent this to us. It's got a few deals on it. You got that 9-watt foldable solar panel for $34.99. I'm not sure what practical use there is for that, but still a good deal, 12% off. That 10-watt solar trickle charger, I actually own one of those. Those do help out for something that's remote, sitting out in your yard or on the farm. You can keep your batteries maintained with that. 12 by 16 silver and black extreme duty weather resistant tarp, $26.99. They got a nice Icon Drive professional flex head, man, I can't say that. 1/4-inch drive professional flex head ratchet, 28% off to $26.99. They got that large modular Bauer toolbox for $34.99. 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive SAE and metric high vis socket set by Quinn, 16% off to $49.99. You can get you a Syntec clamp meter, $17.99, is 28% off. Some Quinn nut wrench sets, $29.99, they're 25% off. Here's another nice Quinn Icon ratchet, 30% off at $29.99. That hand truck we saw during the Spring Black Friday, still a good deal at $54.99. Here's a pretty good large set, 32-piece of the Pittsburgh fully polished SAE and metric combination wrenches for $17.99. And 8x10 mesh, all multi-purpose, weather-resistant 4-ounce tarp. I think the children next door playing are distracting me, sorry. So let's just jump in to see what else is out there. It says view all the deals. I'm not going to sign in right now. First off, today through Thursday for ITC members, with a $14.99 purchase, you can get that cap. I actually have the cap, but if I'm in the store between now and Thursday, I am going to get another one because I'm sure I'll spend $15 without a whole lot of problems. Let's just see what they got for us ITC on power tools. They got that Bauer 7.5 amp, 6-inch, 20mm plug-in orbital DA polisher. The member deal is $59.99, save 25%. There's a nice Bauer 9-gallon wet dry vac for $59.99, also saves set 25%. Chief double cut genuine solid carbide burrs, 4-piece. $59.99, also 25% off. They still got good deals on these metal cutoff wheels. I believe that's the same price we had during the Spring Black Friday sale at $6.99 for ITC members. They got that Warrior 10 amp 7-inch plug-in variable speed rotary polisher sander for $34.99, save 12%. This Hercules 15 amp abrasive cutoff saw I've heard good things about. Well, you can save $50 for the next couple weeks at $139.99. Here is a 1-horsepower 14-inch stationary wood cutting bandsaw. It's $100 off, so it's now $499.99. Here's that 1/2-inch 3-speed impact wrench. It's a Bauer 20-volt. Save 20% right now to get it for $39.99, which is a super deal if you already have some of those 20-volt batteries. So hopefully if you're in that architecture, you've already bought some during the sale. If not, they're still not a bad value to buy one to get your collection started. Here's that 17-inch Bauer variable speed drill press with light. $50, save $50 at $449. I don't know about the disc, a little drill bits. Here's Warrior's 135 split point cobalt drill bit set, 29 pieces, save 33%, down to $49.99. There's you a nice Bauer router, Save 33%, $39.99. Once again, all of these are inside Track Club deals. Here's some step bits, Cobalt step bits, $39.99. They go from 3/16 to 1 1/8. Here's a nice Hercules SDS Max type variable speed rotary hammer. It's the 1 7/8. It's got the maximum vibration control. Save $100. Get that for $349.99. Here's another 7.3 amp SDS Plus type variable speed rotary hammer. Save 22% on it at $69.99. There's a detail sander. Still got a great deal on that. I believe it was $19.99 a while back, but now it is there again. Another set of step bits, 1/8 3/4, 1-inch Cobalt step drill bit, 13 steps. Number 2, 6 steps, and number 3 is 10 steps. Save 30% at $29.99. And here's your hydraulic feed metal cutting bandsaw. This is really heavy duty central machinery, normally $12.99, save $100, $11.99. Bauer's 8-inch bench grinder with a LED light. You can save $10 right now, 11% at $79.99. Here's Bauer's 8 amp variable speed belt sander. Save 21%, down to $42.99. Here's the 4.5-inch compact circular saw, super handy saws. Not used for every application, but they are handy in a smaller cutting job, thin stuff. Easy to maneuver. Save 25%, down to $44.99. Here's a router table to go for your router if you don't already have one. Save $20, $119. Bauer's 12 amp, 115 mile per hour. This is a plug-in jet fan blower. Save 28%, down to $54.99. Here's that Bauer 4.5-inch diamond turbo cup wheel. I do have a video on this, taking up mastic thinset off of my floor after removing tile. I use this in combination with a dust shroud. So if you get a chance, check those out. Save 28%, $24.99. I highly recommend it. Here's a SDS Max type demolition hammer, 12.5 amp. This is plug-in. You can save $50 during the sale, $249.99. Here's a 4-volt cordless stapler. Be pretty handy for an upholstery job or something of that nature, putting up some insulation. $32.99, saves 17%. Flap discs for $1.99 a piece. Grab you some. Hercules bimetal reduced shank titanium plunge flush cutting blade for the oscillating tool. Save 50%. Those are $5.99. So if you're in need of those, it's a good time to pick it up. Here's a precision benchtop mini lathe for any of you that's really getting into the woodworking. $6.99 down to $5.99. Save $100. Here's demo and thin kerf reciprocating saw blade set. It's a 12-piece now for $14.99. There's another flap disc, $1.99. Here's a bench grinder pedestal stand. If you have this sitting on your workbench, you may want to remove it at $49.99. You have a good reason to. It's a good solid workbench. Excuse me. It's a good solid pedestal for your grinder. I am struggling today, sorry. Here's the Bauer 12 amp 5/8 dual handle mud mixer, $99.99. If you're going to do a bunch, you're probably not wanting to do that with your screwdriver. Here's a nice thickness planer by Bauer, 15 amp. It's 12.5 inches. Save $50 to $299.99. Here's a nice heat gun, 1700 watt, 14 amp. Plug in, of course, $42.99. Here's that Central Machinery 8-inch portable ventilator, saving 21%, down to $74.99. Here's a 14 by 20 mini lathe. They said Speedwood midi lathe. I still call it a mini, so it's a midi lathe. Sorry, I don't do any woodworking, or not like that. I don't turn anything. Save $70, $529.99. Here's Hercules circular saw beam cutter attachment, It's 25% off, down to $59.99. Warrior's Hot Knife, $24.99. Here's some hammer drill masonry bit sets. That's a 3-piece set for $12.99. Belt grinder, knocking $50 off to $249. That's a Hercules. Here's an extension bit holder to get you in some weird angles. Made by Warrior. It's $14.99. Save 25%. And there's Drill Master's 11 amp fixed base router. Down 10% to $44.99. And I believe this video is long enough here. I will come back maybe tomorrow or the next day and grab another selection, which is one of these, or in Power Tools. Maybe I'll do automotive tomorrow. Until then, I hope this was informative. Please like or subscribe if these help you in any way. I enjoy doing them. I just want to know that I'm reaching an audience. So hopefully everybody is getting something out of them. Until the next video, y'all take care.